Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best grill regulator is probably one of the most crucial components for a safe and efficient grilling experience. A faulty regulator can lead to inconsistent heat, making it impossible to achieve that perfect sear, or worse, it can pose a safety hazard. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about replacing your Weber grill regulator, ensuring your grill performs at its best and keeps you grilling safely. Number 5. SHINESTAR Universal Gas Grill Regulator and Hose. This regulator and hose is designed to connect standard propane tanks to appliances with a 3/8 male flare fitting. It's easy to install by hand, so no tools are required. This makes it a convenient choice for many different setups. The SHINESTAR regulator works with a wide range of grills and appliances. It's compatible with brands like Nextgrill, Charbroil, and many more. This versatility makes it a great option for various outdoor cooking and heating needs. Safety is a top priority with this product. It features built-in excess flow protection and CSA certification. It provides a steady outlet pressure, ensuring a secure and reliable performance for your appliances. Built to last, this regulator features solid brass fittings and a reinforced rubber hose. These materials ensure long-lasting performance and corrosion resistance. It's designed to withstand outdoor conditions and provide a leak-free connection. Before using, always check the propane tank gasket for any damage. Make sure to align the regulator straight into the cylinder valve. A soapy water test can help you detect any leaks, ensuring safe operation. What we like. This regulator is incredibly versatile, fitting a wide range of grills and propane appliances. It's also CSA certified, ensuring safe and reliable performance. If you have multiple grills or appliances and want a single, safe, and durable regulator, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The regulator and hose assembly came quickly within 2 days, and as soon as it arrived from Amazon, I went outside in the winter dusk and installed my new purchase to see if this was my problem. And I was so happy to find that the grill ignited with full flame on the first attempt. All 3 burners worked flawlessly. The hose has a fiber reinforcement within the rubber to give it strength. The connectors are well made and the threads on the brass fitting were smooth and easy to turn onto the burner pipe by hand. Number 4. Stanbroil Gas Grill Valve Regulator for Weber Q100 Q120. Is your Weber grill not performing like it used to? This replacement valve and regulator assembly is designed specifically for Q100 and Q120 series grills. It's the perfect solution to get your grill back in top shape. This part is a direct replacement for Weber models 386001, 386002, 516501, and 516002. It's ready to use right out of the box, making installation a breeze. You'll have your grill up and running in no time. Made with quality materials, this replacement part is built to last. It's resistant to rust and designed to withstand heavy use. This ensures that it will hold up well over time. Don't spend a fortune on costly repairs. This adapter allows you to fix your grill yourself. It's a cost-effective way to keep your grill working like new. With this replacement part, you can get your grill working perfectly again. Get ready to enjoy delicious barbecues with your friends and family. It's time to fire up the grill. What we like. Specifically designed for Weber Q100 and Q120 series grills, this regulator offers a perfect fit. Installation is a breeze, getting your grill back to its original operating efficiency quickly. If you own a Q100 or Q120 and need a straightforward replacement, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Easy to install with the supplied instructions, it does an excellent job regulating the amount of propane to the burner. I'm satisfied with the way it controls the flame and temperature. Regulator and bracket fit my Weber Q1200. I was having low flame and no flame adjustment, install was easy, and now I have flame adjustment and full flame that heats up to 350 plus fast. I love this grill again. Number 3. Stanbroil Replacement Valve Regulator for Weber Q1000 Q1200. Is your Weber grill not performing like it used to? This replacement valve and regulator assembly is designed specifically for Q1000 and Q1200 models. It's the perfect solution to get your grill back in top shape. This part is a direct replacement for several Weber models, including 50060001, 500600301, and many more. It's built to the same specifications as the original, ensuring a seamless fit and optimal performance. No need for complicated setups. This assembly is ready to install right out of the box. You can quickly restore your grill's efficiency and get back to grilling. Made with quality materials, this replacement part is built to last. It's resistant to rust and designed to withstand heavy use, ensuring it will serve you well for years to come. Don't spend a fortune on repairs. This adapter provides a cost-effective solution to get your grill working like new again. Enjoy delicious barbecues with friends and family without breaking the bank. What we like. This regulator is designed specifically for Weber Q1000 and Q1200 series grills, ensuring a perfect fit. It's easy to install, restoring your grill's original operating efficiency. If you have a Q1000 or Q1200 grill and need a simple, effective replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to install with the supplied instructions, it does an excellent job regulating the amount of propane to the burner. I'm satisfied with the way it controls the flame and temperature. Regulator and bracket fit my Weber Q1200. I was having low flame and no flame adjustment, install was easy, and now I have flame adjustment and full flame that heats up to 350 plus fast. I love this grill again. Number 2. GasSaf propane regulator and hose replacement. This propane regulator and hose are made of high-quality rubber and zinc alloy. It offers better wear and corrosion resistance, ensuring durability and longevity. With the colorful dial, you can easily monitor the propane tank's capacity. This eliminates the need for extra propane gauges, providing convenience at a glance. This regulator fits all 5 to 40 pounds QCC1 Type 1 connections. It also features a 3/8 female flare nut, making it compatible with most LP gas grills. It is suitable for various appliances, including gas grills, stoves, fire pits, camping stoves, and more. This makes it a versatile solution for your propane needs. Before installing, check the connection for any foreign objects. After installation, test its seal with bubble water. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and we will respond within 24 hours. What we like. Made with high-quality rubber and zinc alloy, this regulator offers excellent wear and corrosion resistance. The colored dial allows you to easily monitor your propane tank's capacity. If you want a durable regulator with a convenient capacity indicator for various LP gas appliances, you should consider this. What people say. Works as designed. I like the gas gauge that tell me how much remains in the tank. Works exactly as described. Did the job. It was a perfect fit. Took less than 5 minutes to install. Number 1. Weber Q220 Replacement Valve and Regulator Manifold 80476. Is your grill not performing like it used to? This replacement valve and regulator manifold can help. It's designed to restore the performance of your grill. This manifold is specifically designed for the Weber Q220 grill. It ensures a perfect fit and easy installation. Get your grill back in action quickly. Replacing the valve and regulator is straightforward. The product comes with everything you need. You can easily install it yourself. This replacement part is made with high-quality materials. It's built to last and withstand the rigors of grilling. Enjoy consistent performance. Don't let a faulty valve ruin your grilling experience. This replacement will restore the heat control. Get back to enjoying delicious grilled meals. What we like. This regulator is specifically designed for the Weber Q220 grill, ensuring a perfect fit. It's easy to install, restoring your grill's original operating efficiency. If you have a Q220 grill and need a simple, effective replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. The regulator on my grill broke, it still works really well. I especially like the arm adapter that allows me to use those short stubby propane tanks rather than the long slender ones. Installed with no fuss, it's definitely OEM and works well. Worked great to replace the original that was restricting gas flow and only allowing a small flame. Tabletop Weber is good as new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.